welcome to my channel. It's your favorite baby girl, Funmyte. So today I just want to tell you a little bit about my channel. I mean, what this channel is all about. So on this channel I'm gonna be talking about lifestyle, beauty, fashion, challenges, feminine hygiene, and relationship, baby. Guys, I know this list is so long. I mean, I'm gonna be doing literally everything on this channel. So, and some things you also can expect by subscribing to this channel is product review, food videos, unboxing, you know, and all that good stuff. You get what I mean? I created this channel so I would have a place to express myself and to empower others on to be themselves and pursue their happiest and healthiest life. So if you are on the same page with me, please click on that subscribe button and please like my video. I am open to a video suggestion and I am always ready to answer any question. So I think I should introduce myself more. I'm a mom of 3 boys. I am married. I work as a nursing assistant, and yeah, so let's enjoy, let's have fun, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. What do you think about my makeup, guys? Like, I feel like my face is popping, like everything on fleek. I'm gonna show you my full outfit.